Hi, I'm Royson from AV Pro Solutions, and I'm here to give you a video demo of MAXHUB XCoreKit, which is a Microsoft Teams Rooms solution by MAXHUB. So the display that you see in front of me is the controller display. This is the mini computer by MAXHUB. So the MTR room scheduler looks like this. So whenever a client or whenever a participant books the room for the meeting, you can see here Mr. Shashank Shekhar has booked this room for 6:40 to 7 o'clock for 20 minutes, and it is visible here. So whenever a next participant is trying to book the same timing for the same room, Microsoft Teams will not allow, as the default feature it has. For instant meeting, there is an option. Just click on meet now and invite the person that you want to have a call with. There is also an option to have a voice call. Then the third option comes, that is sharing the screen. So this can be done using the HDMI cable that you can see that is connected to this touchpad, and this can be connected to any third-party laptop. So this is an HDMI. This also could be connected to the MAXHUB screen that you are seeing here. This MAXHUB screen is right now connected to the PC here. To the PC, and that's why you are seeing the same output as that of the touch panel that you saw just now. So to the HDMI port of this particular screen, you can connect an external PC or a MAXHUB interactive panel and share the screen for presentations. Then there is an option to join with an ID, where you can directly enter the ID of the meeting and join the meeting. So in a while, we will be starting a call with Mr. Shashank Shekhar, and that's when we will exactly show how the system exactly works like. So the components of this particular MTR solution is the touchpad, which will be placed on the table, then a PC unit which will go beneath the table, and there is an option of a media bar that can be directly connected to the PC. So this is an integral part of video conferencing system, and an external monitor. Presently we are using MAXHUB C series, but kindly note, whenever we connect this particular Microsoft Team Room solution to MAXHUB, the touch sense of the panel gets inactivated. The moment you plug out the HDMI device, it will be reactivated again. So MAXHUB in this case, MAXHUB interactive panel in this case, will work only as a monitor or a display. So the setup that you are seeing in front of you has two displays. One is an interactive panel by MAXHUB, which we will use for screen sharing and showing the presentation, or using the whiteboard or any content that can be displayed on this interactive panel. And adjacent to this is a regular monitor which is directly connected to the touch panel using the PC and the HDMI cable. So what you are seeing here is the room scheduler by Microsoft Teams Rooms. Mr. Shashank Shekhar has already scheduled a meeting at 6:40 to 7 p.m. and rest of the time is available. So whenever a person is trying to book a room at the same time, Microsoft Teams Rooms will not allow that person to do so, but also it will allow the person to book the room for other meetings. So once the meeting begins, the call will be started, and the person in the call, the user interface of Microsoft Teams will be appearing on this screen, and this screen, that is MAXHUB interactive panel, we shall be using for screening or mirroring the content on the screen. Now using these elements, we will be starting the call. I'm joining the meeting. The call is being initiated and the share screen mode is already there. I'm going to inactivate for a while. Yes, I'm in meeting with Mr. Shashank Shekhar from MAXHUB. Hi Shashank. All good here. I have just initiated a Teams call with you from your invitation that was being sent to the Microsoft Teams Rooms ID. And now we are on a call. Glad having you on screen here. Now I'll be showing how do we share screen using MAXHUB C series. We have kept two parallel displays. There is MAXHUB C series alongside a regular TV monitor on which the call is being seen and executed. Meanwhile, we have connected MAXHUB C series parallelly using HDMI out. And now we'll be showing you how do we share the content on the third party screen. It could be a laptop or a MAXHUB C series as shown in this video. Yes, we have kept it on minimum volume though. Can we increase the volume, Naveed? Yeah, you're seeing the screen. That's MAXHUB. Naveed, can you switch on the whiteboard? The screen is being relentlessly, effortlessly shared to the participant in the video call. So can you see, Shashank, what is being written on the whiteboard? It is written test. Yeah. Do you see any lags or cuts or anything? No, I don't see anything. I can see it. Okay, brilliant. They started the recording also, so this recording is also happening right now. Okay. Teams recording. Okay, great. Fantastic. So you can see how the MAXHUB camera here placed in here is tracking the person in the corner. So it is tracking me and my speech. So I am in the center of the screen now. Now it is auto framing me and Naveed. Again, it is tracking me. So the effectiveness of the camera is also pretty good here, you can see, and the clarity also with the good lightings in the Zen Labs where we are doing this testing. It is perfectly working fine, and I must say Microsoft Teams Rooms along with MAXHUB C series is an excellent product to go forward. Thank you, Shashank, for joining us and helping us with this demo. Yeah, thank you so much. Can we end the call? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stop scaring. Yeah. So you can see the call has been ended. Right. Thank you for watching. If any clarifications, you can get in touch with us over mail. Thank you.